Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Webhook signatures for crypto apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Webhook signatures for crypto apps, start by understanding the basics of webhooks. Webhooks are user-defined HTTP callbacks that are triggered by specific events. First, ensure you have access to the documentation provided by your crypto service provider. Identify the endpoint where your application will receive webhook notifications. Next, set up a secure server to handle incoming requests. Implement an HTTP endpoint in your application that listens for post requests. Once the endpoint is created, generate a unique secret key. This secret key will be used to create and validate signatures. When the crypto service sends a webhook, it includes a signature in the request headers. Extract the signature from the incoming request. Now, construct a signed payload to verify the authenticity of the webhook. To create this payload, concatenate the request body with the timestamp and your secret key. Use a hashing algorithm, such as MAC-SHA-256, to generate a signature from this payload. Compare the generated signature with the one provided in the webhook headers. If the signatures match, it confirms that the request is legitimate. If they do not match, reject the request and take appropriate security measures. Lastly, log all webhook events for auditing and debugging purposes. Implement error handling to manage any unexpected issues during this process. Once these steps are complete, you can confidently authenticate webhook signatures for your crypto app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.